We need your support. Click the like buttons below. Now onto the video. Welcome to readtheticker.com. How high can Apple go? We have a monthly chart of Apple, and an indicator we can use is what we call the RTT DPO. Now it's set at 60, so it's 60 monthly periods, which is equivalent to 5 years. So here are the highs over the last 5 years. Okay, and this is the current one. So what we have here is a measurement from the 60 simple moving average, which has been flattened to zero, to how far away price moves away from the 60 MA. For example, up here we have the monthly 60 month period moving average, which is the green bar. That's the red one. So we're measuring how far away in percentage terms does price get away from the red line, right? Obviously the most extreme example is here, and we've got one here. So most extreme example is that point there, and it got 300% away from the simple moving average for 60 periods. So on a best case scenario, with the current measurement of the 60 day moving average is 47.38. I scroll up here, the green is 47.38. Bring my calculator along here. So we got 47.38, this is obviously after the split, times 300, or times 3, okay, plus the original figure, 47.38. That equals, I can get to 189 to equal the highest point. And we're at the moment we're at 115. So get to 189. So minus 115 equals that. So clear that. 74 divided by 115. So that's a 64% move if Apple's going to set an all-time record by getting away from the simple moving average. So 189, 190. If we go really crazy and have a melt up like you wouldn't believe, 189, 180 would be a target for Apple. That's based on the 60-month moving average. And if we scroll down, we can see this is the 36-month, and as you can see, it's about 200%. So 200%, 2 times 59.24. Here's my cursor. 59.24 equals that, plus, what is it? 59.24, 178. So there you go, the target based on the 3-year, and the 5-year is 178 range to 189. So if we do get an extreme melt up of massive proportions, if Apple starts entering the 178 to 189 mark, that'll be reaching an all-time high based on a 3-year and a 5-year simple moving average. And as you can see, sell-offs happened after that. Okay, so if we want to do that same test for gold, well, let's do Bitcoin. Everyone loves Bitcoin, eh? Whoops. So you can use the simple moving averages and the RTT DPO over a 5-year and a 3-year period to work out extreme range levels. Alrighty. So at the moment, obviously Bitcoin's on some crazy levels. Look at that, 500%. No, that's a bit crazy. Now let's go to gold. Right, here we go. Right. So Apple was 178 to 189 on extreme melt-up, which would peak out at the 3-year and the 6-year moving averages. Gold would peak out on the 6-year. We're looking at 128.45, 128.45, which is where the see 128.45, and it peaks out about 80%. All right, times 0.8. Okay, it's 102 plus. And that's 231. So if it was an extreme melt up, gold that's on the GLD would be about 231 on the 6-year simple moving average, and on the based on the 3-year, it would be. Oh, right, get my calculator. We go to 135. 135 with your simple moving averages now, times highest mark is around about 0.57. 0.57, that's a gain of 76 plus 135 now equals. So therefore gold on the 3-year would be a max of 212. So a range of 212 to a range of 231 is a range based on the 3 and 6-year monthly moving average. So that's when these lines here on the ITT DPO get up to this level. Right? And that's where it may be a top or massive selling might be attracted. So that's how you can use the ITT DPO to work out where an extreme top would be and attract massive profit taking. Thanks for watching.